everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate Clearpay card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, what you have to do is simply have to first of all access your particular Clearpay app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So now if you would like to activate, first thing, go ahead, tap on any of the cards and get this Clearpay's shop section. Once you tap on the shop option, you're gonna find any of the product that you would like to purchase or anything. Then you're gonna find this option below called Instore. Go ahead, tap on that Instore option, and in the store section you're gonna find this option of Pay in Store on top, right? So if you would like to activate the Clearpay card, you gotta tap on this Pay in Store, which will redirect you to this option where you can see pay at the checkout. Now you gotta choose the payment calculator, aka the order payment dates. You can choose any of them. Simply go ahead, choose the first one, which will be auto selected over there. Now you can see a linked repayment method is right over there, and below, according to your device, you will find this option of paying with an Apple Pay or Google Pay that you have added in original pay of your mobile phone. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to access another interface where you have to enter the information. Once you have done so, whenever you go back and go to any of the shop, and when you're trying to pay in store for them, you will be able to tap on that option. It can be your GPay or anything, your wallet, Apple Pay, and then once you do that, you will be able to select Clearpay as an option for you to pay. So, and with that, you can pay any of the retailer, any of the store. Just likewise, make sure it's connected with your original payment method, aka original wallet of your phone. So that is the way it will automatically activate the card. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.